You know what time it is? It's smash burger time. First, we gotta grind our special blend of sirloin, chuck and brisket. Mix it together and roll it into a ball. Heat on high, let's sit for a minute. And now it's time to smash, 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 smash it down flat.
Hey everybody, let's get busy on this smash burger that is keto friendly, by the way. All you have to do is replace the bun with a keto friendly hamburger bun. They're all over the grocery store and they work pretty well. You're down to 3 grams, net grams of carbs for a delicious smash burger. So I've got my 3 pieces of meat: sirloin, brisket, and chuck. And I'm just going to take my knife and cut them up into about 2-inch squares, about the right size to get into my KitchenAid meat grinder. So we'll get all this meat cut up into nice 2-inch squares, and then we're going to break out the KitchenAid and the meat grinder attachment. If you don't have the KitchenAid, whatever meat grinder you have. And if you don't have a meat grinder, go to your local butcher and tell them you want a half a pound of brisket, a half a pound of sirloin, and a half a pound of chuck ground up, and they'll do it for you. And trust me, this is a great combination for smash burgers. So one way or the other, get her done. So we're just about done here, and we're going to fire up the grinder.
On the grind size more. Can't be too refined, can't be too coarse. This, my friend, is a science.
That's right. Can't be too coarse, can't be too much. It's got to be a science. So we're just going to push it on through. We'll do like 2 pieces of brisket, 2 pieces of sirloin, 2 pieces of chuck, and keep that rotation going until all that meat is ground. And I wound up with about almost 7 pounds of perfect ground meat. So I packaged up most of it into those freezer bags and put it in the freezer. And I left out just enough to make 4 patties. So I'm going to take those patties, or take those, the amount I left out, roll into 4 separate balls. And I'm going to use my cast iron here. A little bit of Pam on the bottom. Heat is on medium high. And I just put the ball in and let it sit for about 45 seconds to a minute. And then we give it a nice smash down. I use parchment paper so it doesn't stick to my smashing utensil. And we'll just peel it away. And you've got perfect smash burger there. I will let that go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Season it with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. There we go. Then we're just gonna flip that over. Perfect. Now we're gonna season again with salt and pepper, and then put 1 slice of American cheese on top. Then I'm gonna toss in just a little bit of water and put a cover on it to steam, melt that cheese down. And once that's done, we'll do the rest of the burgers, and we'll do 2 patties per burger. And you have delicious smash burgers that are also keto friendly. So if you're on the keto diet, like I'm trying to do, this is perfect for you. Hey, thanks for watching, and we will see you soon. And remember, every Sunday and Wednesday, a new video. Like, share, subscribe. Tell everybody about the show. I appreciate you all very much. Have a good day.
Oh, baby, you know what time it is? It's smash.